Eh, Hello guys, welcome back to Pokemon Lovers World, and today we are again playing Pokemon Stone Dragon. So in the last episode, well, we reached over here and got a Chimchar on our team. So in today's episode guys, we are actually gonna make our way. Wait a second, yeah. Sorry guys for the background noise. Oh shit, my cheat is on. So guys, I shuttered my cheat. Now let's go from here. Okay, so I can't go from this route. So which route shall I go from? So this is a route where I can go. Okay, I have to battle you. Edelson and Rattata. Okay. Bubble Beam. Loser. Sorry guys. Leave it. Okay, so Chimchar is gaining experience. Okay, I guess today we'll get a Monferno. Guess so. 294 Dartrix gain, 220 Chimchar gain, 147. Oh wow, Ember. Grimer. Wow. Alolan Grimer, is it? I have Bubble Beam for each and everything. Bye bye. To the Grimer, not you guys. Okay, 8th level. So we defeated Pokemon trainer Edelson. Oh, so there I can get a Bulbasaur. Man, I want to catch it. Wait a second, my Pokemon's health, yeah, is alright. Okay, so I compulsory have to battle this trainer Onix. So you have an Onix, Pidgeotto and Onix. Okay, I'll take care of them. Bubble Beam on Onix and Wing Attack on Pidgeotto. Go away, Onix. Oh yeah boy, dab man. Sorry guys for the background noise. Okay, so let's go. Chimchar grew to level 9. Chimchar, why doesn't it go to 10? I mean seriously, Chimchar didn't even reach 10 by now. Dartrix grew to level 32. Cool. Martha, I defeated Martha. Or Martha, I don't. Okay, a Nidoran and a Bulbasaur. Let's catch them and I'll see you guys. Guys, I could catch the Bulbasaur but not the Nidoran. Okay, so let's go. Oh, Skorupi, let's catch him. Guys, I caught that Skorupi but I couldn't catch the Nidoran. So I'm sad. A bit. Because I love Nidoking, man. Leave it. Rota 8? Okay, you met me at Rota 8. Okay, hi. Hi again. What, you have a Monferno? My Chimchar doesn't evolve. How could your evolve? Just forget it, fire type trainer. I can defeat you. There you go. You know how? Because I have might. I have my cool Pokemon and my realistically good might. Chimchar grew to level 10. Please grow fast, Chimchar. I want my Chimchar to at least evolve, man, in this video. 43. Okay, Waller grew to for level 43. Camelio has a War Turtle. Okay. Now what to do? Bite on War Turtle? No, Bite on Prinplup and Wing Attack on War Turtle, I guess. Wow, Rapid Spin. Shit. Hit 2 times. Okay, Bite on Prinplup, Wing Attack on War Turtle. Prinplup fainted. So Charmeleon and Prinplup are noob. Monferno and War Turtle are pro. Okay, let's go ahead. Bye bye, and I'm sorry to defeat you. 1 second, guys. I grinded up my team, so let's go. Okay, a Pidgey. Oh, I don't want you. Sorry, bye. Okay, another battle. And guys, in one level I will have a Decidueye and a Monferno. That's what I'm happy about because I grinded them up by one level. Okay. Let's go. Bubble Beam on Flygon and Wing Attack on Altaria, I guess. Okay, so let's go. Cool, dude. Santum, no! Shit! Greninja is hurt by Santum. I'll kill you, wait. How dare you hit my Greninja with Santum? Why doesn't that Flygon die, man? Leave it. Chimchar, come on. At least level up now. Okay, pound. Cool, guys. Chimchar grew to level 14. Yes. And now Chimchar is gonna evolve into Monferno. La 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 la. I was just trying to copy the game music. Finally, we have a Monferno. Now let's go ahead. Okay, another battle. Let it be. I'll defeat ya. Sliggoo. Okay, you have a Sliggoo who didn't evolve into a Goodra. So sad, bro. Take this from me. A little gift. Okay, you have Rain Dance, huh? What? You are a dragon type? Oh, shut. You are a dragon type. Man, this is just dragon type. Just pure dragon. No other type Sliggoo has. So I'm scared if it does severe damage to the team. Like, seriously severe. Sorry guys, somebody is bursting crackers outside. I don't know who. Okay. Tackle, wow, bite. Yeah, boy. I defeated you. Houndour, okay. For Houndour, let's go, Greninja. I guess you have to fight with everyone on your own. I'm so sorry, dude, for you. Bite. I could have used Lycan Rockman. How mad I am. Monferno grew to level 15. Yeah. Squirtle. Okay. That's the end. You seriously have your last Pokemon as Squirtle? Okay, I guess your starter Pokemon didn't evolve. That's sad, bro. Why didn't your starter Pokemon evolve? Please tell me, because I have a Blastoise on my team. How come you don't have a Blastoise on your team? At least a Wartortle at level 35. That's just expected out of you. Loser. I guess you troubled your Squirtle. You are very bad. Bye-bye. I don't talk to bad people. Okay. Okay, so what? I can't go from here. Oh, a last battle. Because after that I have to reach in that city. I guess over there's a city. Over there. I just guessed. I don't know if my guess is right or not. Okay, so in one level you will have a Charizard. That's a really good move because I have a Greninja before you, loser. But I want to have a Decidueye before you. Waller, Dartrix, Monferno. Come on, Dartrix, you have to level up. Shit, a Jolteon. Bubble Beam, that's your gift for hitting my Greninja. Thank you. Rot in your Pokeball. Haha. That was harsh, I guess. Furry Swipes, not at all. Fluffy, okay. Bubble Beam on that Fluffy and Wing Attack on that Jolteon. Shit, man. Are you going to kill my Greninja? No. Oh, shit. Okay, so you're a troubling Staraptor. No, shit. Greninja fainted. So let's bring in Shades. Our Shades. Go in, Shades. Wing Attack. Yeah, boy. I know what you get affected by with a Rock Slide, and I will just do a quick attack on you, Fluffy. What? Fluffy? Rock Slide. Yeah, boy. You are cool. Wow! Finally, I can have a Decidueye. Decidueye. Okay. I know the pronunciation, so I can say Decidueye. That's the correct pronunciation. Okay, so let's kill this guy. Decidueye. I'm gonna have a Decidueye. I'm gonna have a Decidueye. Yay! That is my reaction because I love Decidueye. But my favorite Alolan starter is Litten. Okay, Dartrix is evolving. Okay, yeah, boy. Finally, I have a true mad lad on my team. Decidueye. Let's go from here, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so we reach Obscure. Obscure, I guess. Yeah, Obscure. Okay, let's heal our Pokemon. Volt separate. Let's check out our Decidueye. Grass Coast. Wow. Decidueye's typing has changed. So guys, what I'll do is I'll grind up a bit because 36 level Pokemon are here, so I'll grind. So guys, I grinded up my Pokemon up to level 45. Everybody Greninja is 46, Monferno is 20, so Monferno will evolve into Infernape so soon. So let's go. Okay, a battle in the city. I never noticed that there are battle people over here. Okay, a Chikorita. Let's go. Bite. What? Didn't die. Okay, another bite. Super potion. Oh, I guess my fire type is really low on levels. Belief. That's what you can take on Monferno. But please don't die. What? Okay, let's try. No. I can't try. Sorry. Waller. Body slam. No. Oh shit. Waller is paralyzed. I have Decidueye on my team still. So even if Waller is unable to move, no. Let's check out our Decidueye. One sec. Meganium. A fully evolved grass type Pokemon versus a fully evolved grass type Pokemon. Let's see who is stronger. Okay. There we go. The two grass types have clashed. I see Decidueye winning. And Decidueye won. Yeah, boy. I love Decidueye. Monferno grew to 21. Wow. Guys, I grind up my Pokemon even. So guys, I grinded up my Pokemon and Monferno is level 30. I think this is a grass type or ghost type gym. So I need a Monferno. And Infernape. What? Paul. Okay. I have to battle you again. Okay, this time it's a 4-on-6. Ursaring and Electabuzz. Okay, so your Elekid finally evolved. Congrats, man. You're doing well. Bubble Beam on that stupid Electabuzz. And Wing Attack on that Ursaring. I guess all 4 of my Pokemon should get a chance. I have 6, rather Decidueye. And you know what, Paul? Your Chimchar is a cool Pokemon. Guys, I swapped my Pokemon out because I guess everybody should get a chance, like fair play. Use Rock Slide and you use Thunder on that Electabuzz. Show him who's a better electric type. Come on, Sparky. I have faith in you, my bro. Okay, Electabuzz got ripped. Okay. Hey, cool, bro. Torterra is level 41. Okay. Ursaring flinch. No. Shades, I'm switching with Decidueye. And Sparky, I'm switching with Monferno. Paul should see his Pokemon's health also, right? Paul never takes care of his Pokemon. That I'm really upset about you, Paul. You are a very bad person. That's what Paul's girlfriend would have said to him if Paul had a girlfriend in the anime. But fortunately for him, Decidueye won't obey. What are you doing, Decidueye, idiot? I guess Decidueye won't obey. What? Monferno! Decidueye! I don't know why you are not obeying to me. You should obey your master. You should obey your master, Decidueye. Come on now. Enough excuses. Start battling. This is like Ash and Charizard, man. Decidueye is not obeying. Sorry guys for the background noise. Okay. So guys, Paul has a Gliscor on his team. Decidueye is still not obeying to me. Why, bro? Why are you not obeying? Guys, will you give me a small Nuskha for Decidueye not obeying me? Why is he doing this? Decidueye, our whole team will die because of you, idiot. Leave it, guys. Greninja will take care of the Torterra. What? Decidueye is loafing around. Idiot, stop loafing around. I said, when you were a Dartrix, you used to obey me. But now you are not obeying me. Wow, finally he obeyed me. 1 sec. Okay. Let's go. Paul has been defeated. Move aside. Hush. Okay, so I have to reach the gym leader. I'll skip the battles, guys. So guys, I could easily defeat those idiots. Now let's take on the gym leader. I'm really afraid if Monferno has to battle, then what? Because he has a Frostlass with him. So this place's gym leader's name is Fernando. Let's go. Trevenant is your first Pokemon, is it? So for your Trevenant, I have Bite. I bit you, idiot. Can I bite you once again? Your taste is very bad, Trevenant. Really bad. Trevenant has fainted. Sorry guys for the background noise. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry guys. Extremely. Because some wagon is... So guys, next up is his Frostlass. So I'm swapping in Shades with deep belief that Shades can defeat the Frostlass. It's his most powerful Pokemon at level 42, is it? Shades is my second most powerful Pokemon and he's at 46. Loser. Monferno, you're doing good by now. Just gain more experience. Okay, another ghost type. Okay, it's a Dusknoir. Okay, Rock Tomb. Here you go. Loser. What? Your speed is going low. Yes. So I will just use Rock Tomb on you. Haha. Just one more Rock Tomb and then for the gym leader, the other challenger will be able to defeat the gym leader because Dusknoir's speed is low. I'm helping the other trainers, guys. The other trainers who are going to challenge the gym. See how great I am. Please subscribe to the channel. Please. Gengar. Okay. Finally your Gengar is out. What? Gengar is your strongest Pokemon? Oh no. Then I will have a great problem fighting it. No. Why do you have a Gengar? Shades, no. Shit, guys, Shades fainted. Now who shall I take out? A ghost type against a ghost type. You know the ghost type's more. Decidueye. Please obey me. Please, Decidueye. Please. Yes. Come on, you can do this. What? No. Stop using. Shut up. What? Leaf Blade. Decidueye. But you still could win, so that doesn't matter. You are super cool, Decidueye. Monferno grew to level 33. And with that, we defeated gym leader Fernando. We got the TM43. What is TM43? Let's check. TM. So now I'll see you guys outside the Poké. So guys, I'm back at the Poké Center. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments which new game shall we play next. Most of the people are not commenting, so please comment. Okay.